Never seen that right before. Merlin here. I'm going to do a little update on the Clarion. I have started updating the lighting in it. Well, actually, I've got all the lighting updated. I put some brand new, nice LED lights in. I've got one there. I haven't got the one in the bathroom turned on, but I've got one in the bathroom in here now. And I installed one up underneath the kitchen cabinet area. Replaced the ones that were under here on both sides. And this had a fluorescent light across the top of there, and I've just put strip lights in there now. So all the lighting is now updated with nice LED lights that are really nice and bright. I've taken out the gas cooktop because I don't like propane, and I've got a nice single burner cooktop that I'm going to install. That'll be 110 power. The one thing cool about the Clarion is the water heater under here runs off of 110 or from the vehicle's engine water heat, temperature heat. So since that runs off of 110, as my microwave's 110, of course, my refrigerator runs off a 12 volt. So it'll run off 12 volt or 110. And so with that doing that, you have your switch here where you flip from the microwave to the hot water heater to power the 110 for that. So what I'm done is I just installed something else pretty cool. Walk by here. As you know, I got my valve cover gaskets redone, so the valve cover gaskets aren't leaking anymore. I had the air conditioner repaired, and here's the old marine battery that came in it for the coach battery. And what I've done is, since my generator wasn't working, I'd removed the generator to try to fix it, but I'm not getting it fixed. So what I've done is I've installed a nice Belttt 3000 watt full sine wave inverter that we picked up on Amazon. As you can see, it even has a nice digital display here. Let's see if I can block out some of the, see there, 12 volt coming in, 119 out, and tells you your battery level, load meter. There's no load on it, of course. Now what I like about it is you have your outputs right there, so you can hardwire it into the system. And the reason I decided to put the thing where I've got it right now, besides it being convenient there, is when the generator was installed, you had your heavy wire there that came from the battery up front to power the generator, and then that box there is your 110 powering the coach, from the generator. So what I'll do is I'm going to take and hardwire my wires from the inverter right into the 110 outlet there. Well, junction box is not an outlet, it's a junction box. So then I can just literally be able to turn on the inverter and power up the coach with the 110. So as you can see, it's working. Turn it off there now. So, but yeah, but it's got a if I pull this little plug here out, it's like I say, it's got a 25-foot lead cable that came with it, with a nice remote unit. I don't have any fingernails, so I can't get that out, but I'll get it out later. Anyway, it comes up with a nice remote that even has the same digital display on the remote, so you can tell exactly what's going on. That has 25-foot lead though, so I'll actually be able to run the wire up into the coach and be able to turn the inverter on and off from inside. So what I'm also planning to do is I've been looking at these 12 volt air conditioners. So what I'm thinking about doing is removing the AC off the top, and the 110 AC, and putting a 12-volt AC up there and getting me some big batteries or a battery bank. And where the generator hung up under here, I've still got the generator framing that held the generator, would be to put my battery bank right inside there. So then all my batteries would be right there. All I have to do then is just run my hot wire that I've got spliced together over there with a hot wire coming off that splice coming to the battery bank. And that would give me all the power I need. Put about a 300 or 600 amp hour battery up in here, and then put some solar panels on the roof, and we'd probably be good to go, be self-contained, which would be nice because I'm wanting to take this thing to the hovercraft rally in April, and it'd be nice to be self-contained, be able to run an air conditioner and run the hot water heater and stuff like that. So anyway, that's what we're working at, and need to wash it because it's been sitting under this tree, so it got all kinds of sap and stuff falling on it. But that's an update on the Clarion. She's running good now. It's got less miles on it than any other vehicle I have in the whole yard here. So I don't see why it won't make the trip to the hovercraft rally just fine. So we will see. Like I say, everything's running good with it and stuff. It starts right up and it's driving good now since I fixed that front differential. I haven't driven very far. I've just driven around the block a time or two with it, but it's got new tires on it and everything had been serviced right before I got it. You know, the only issue I had was that drive shaft. So I'm thinking that I should be pretty good. So, but as you can see, we got nice lighting in here now. You can definitely see how everything's lit up. Excuse my mess because I'm still working on stuff. But yeah, it's shaping up pretty nicely. I think it's gonna be a nice camper here. So we will see. I still got to put me some kind of bedding up here in the front, because originally it had like another set of seats back here that folded into a bed, and they had been removed before I got it. So I got to make some kind of bed frame or something for the front. So anyway, I removed my navigation system because the other day I came out here after a hard rain and the windshield was leaking, so I had to reseal across the front of the windshield up there. So it don't seem to be leaking now. We'll keep an eye on that. But yeah, that was the only place I've had any leaks with it so far, so I think I'm doing pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to turn that power off there so I don't drain the battery. And yeah, there we go. So got all that turned off. Go ahead and close everything up and go back in the house. But anyway, this is Merlin. Hope you enjoyed the video of the update on the Clarion. And if you like my videos, like, share, and subscribe. This is Merlin. I'm out. Okay. It's nighttime now, about a little after 10. And I want to come out and see how my lights look. See, this is some of the type of lights it had that are real dim. And you can see the new lights I replaced. See, we got lights to see everything in here. This is nice. I like this. I like having light. I'm gonna have to put some blinds up and stuff better, so that whenever we're camping, nobody will be seeing us in. But see, there's the strip lights up there, and that's just one strip light. I could actually add more, but I think we got more than enough lighting in here. And yeah, I like this. Let's see what the light in the bathroom looks like, how much it lights up. Oh yeah, definitely can see to do whatever you need to do in the bathroom there. Shoot, yeah, I like that. That's all good and lit up, good and lit up. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I like that now. You can definitely see. You can see all my mess. Look at that. You can see all the dirt. I got to clean this thing up now that I've been working in it. Like I say, I got to make a cover for this hole so I can set my cooktop on it. And I need to put my little panels back in place. You can see them under there and two of them right there. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. Wow, I like it. Definitely like it. Definitely an improvement for sure. You can actually see what you're looking at. You can see everything you need to see. Got my entertainment system set back in there. Can't really see it. It's not turned on or anything, but that's the navigation system. The Android navigation system panel. I got that put back in. But see, there's your control panels. You can see you can turn off the individual lights. And yeah. There we go. So, yeah, you can see what a difference that made. Anyway, this is Merlin. I'm in the dark, and I'm out.